Dr. Adeyemo, who should have been in jail or out of office and is not in terms of enforcement?
Thank you. Let me join the earlier speakers to commensurate with Nigerians that died in the recent building collapse. I think I want to agree, first of all, with the DG and the president of Koren on the major factor that is lagged behind, and that is the enforcement, first of all. Now, as the president has spoken, is a teamwork. And who is to be blamed? I think it depends.
Who should go to jail? Because we have agreed it's
okay.
lack of enforcement among the 20% of people that are covered by the enforcement laws and are not doing their job.
I think the president of Koren explained that the professionals, some professionals who are meant to manage the projects. Now, when you talk of that 20%, whosoever is a professional that is meant to manage the project.
Koren is one. Sorry about that. Koren is one. Is a regulator.
Yeah.
You also have other,
the architects.
Yes. So these are the, enforcement regulators.
Yes.
Yes. So where do you, who should take responsibility?
The laws are there, as they are said, and the punishment are there. So whosoever is managing a project and if there is a case of negligence, the law should be applied. So it's not a matter of who should go to jail. There is a law. There are laws.
Who is not enforcing the law among the regulators? Who is not doing their job? Somebody must. It is not Ademola. It is not us. Yes.
I think he pointed something out that the professionals should be meeting. And so, who is not enforcing the law? They are the professionals. When you are talking of the 20%.
Yes.
Aside from the 80%.
Yes.
The 80%, as he has mentioned, centered on the vendors. That is the owner.
Let's keep the 80% aside because they are not covered by the enforcement law. Now, the 20% covered by the enforcement law, what are they doing? And why are they not enforcing?
Yeah, I think there should be more collaboration between all the professionals.
Just like he said.
Just like he said. Because as at now, you cannot say specifically that this person or this professional should be punished for any building collapse.
Has there been sanctions in the past for
this
collapse?
Yes.
Because we have not been seeing, we've not heard about sanctions, that people responsible for all this collapse. There have been sanctions. We have not heard.
There have been sanctions.
Because remember the Ikoyi saga, the one that happened, the Twin Tower that collapsed and killed, even the owner and all that. We've not heard anything about so far.
No, but there have been sanctions.
Okay.
And, you are talking of the 20% that are captured.
Yeah.
And leaving behind the 80. I think why it is not, why the publicity is not there is because that group is so small compared to the other 80. So I think that is what is responsible.
The issue of the 20% that are captured and the 80 that are not, when you realize that these people are changing in the building materials and the building process, why don't you blow the whistle? The 20%, why don't you blow the whistle?
Thank you.
Call the government in and tell them, look, we are on the site, but this is what we notice.
Thank you. Like in Construction and Civil Engineering Senior Staff Association, we have members that are competent, members that are registered. I'm a registered engineer, and I'm a fellow of Nigeria Society of Engineers. We have, likewise, we have some of our colleagues that are registered as quantity surveyors, architects. Now, you can only blow the whistle of what you know about. We work in an environment that is coordinated. We work with employers that are registered, even with Koren. So the issue of building collapse, when you look at some of our employers like Julius Baja, Salini, RCC, you cannot pinpoint any project that they are engaging or any building that has collapsed. That is the one they built. So you can only blow whistle about what you know. But in CESA, we work in an environment that is well coordinated, and we adhere to rules and regulations guiding buildings.
In every building, construction, aren't we supposed to have at least one of the representatives of those captured in the in the team?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So they should know when there is abnormalities going on.
You are very right.
Yeah.
And I think there have been cases, sir, you can attest to that. There have been cases of professionals reporting to Koren or NSC about what is going on in a building site that are not in conformity with the codes and standard.